Hi, my name is Bill Crawford. I own Rainmaker for Contractors. My niche is basement waterproofing. My role in the company is I'm the visionary. I also do sales and I help with some quality control. When I joined Seven Figure Agency, I was at about 45,000 MRR. Today we're at 92,500 MRR. Before we joined Seven Figure Agency, I largely grew my company on referrals, and also I was very involved with the association for the industry. Since joining Seven Figure Agency, we did the many common strategies of, find a niche, get the list, do webinars, do podcasts, write a book, more association involvement. I've run some Facebook ads and some Google ads. The main challenge and the reason why I joined Seven Figure Agency, one of them anyway, was I wanted a systematic way to get leads and to scale my business and just to create better systems overall. The second reason why I joined Seven Figure Agency is because I wanted to be around like-minded people that are really committed to growing their agency. Since working with Seven Figure Agency, my agency has changed a lot. We have added more employees, we've added more clients, more monthly revenue, of course, but we have better systems and our roles are more defined. Something that's really helped us is this thing called EOS, Entrepreneurial Operating System. And it's just it's like a philosophy, it's a management style and tools to help manage our agency. And a lot of folks within Seven Figure Agency use the EOS model. So we're able to share trade secrets and our shortcomings and how to get better. So how this growth has affected my life personally is I definitely have more peace of mind. I have less stress. I have more hope and belief and faith that my company will continue to grow. I feel the support of my peers, knowing that if I'm in a jam, they're going to help, but also knowing that they're there to support me to continue to grow. Yeah, that's just the start of it. I'm really excited to be a part of Seven Figure Agency. In the next 6 to 12 months, I see my company continue to expand and grow. There's, the bigger you get, the more, there's just always more strategies to implement. So one of the things that I've recently picked up is what we call a joint venture. And that's working with the supplier I help them and they help me. They could send their clients to me and I could help their clients sell more products so that they could sell more products. So I'll have more joint ventures. I also have plans to open up a second niche, which I'm really excited about. I have basement waterproofing is a very small niche. It may not even qualify what 7FA would recommend for a niche. So I look forward to getting into a big niche and adding another one just to kind of see what our strategies might do in a larger niche. I think the most valuable component of Seven Figure Agency for us, one is the people. This is a really generous group that is willing to share their strategies. I've been in these kind of networks before, and sometimes there's so much competition that people aren't willing to share their trade secrets, but I don't find that here. And then the second thing I would say is the many strategies that 7FA teaches on how to grow your business. So it's the people and it's the strategies. So if you're contemplating, should I join Seven Figure Agency or not? I would highly recommend to join if it makes sense for you, because you're going to be around people that are committed to growing their agency. I've been in both worlds. I've always had some kind of a coach, but when I'm around so many people with so much coaching, you're basically able to ride the momentum and the wave to growth. You've heard that saying before, you become like the 5 people that you hang around with the most. Well, there's a lot of these people within Seven Figure Agency, and their passion to grow their agency is going to rub off on you. And if you want to grow your agency, this is the place to be.